Greetings everyone, and welcome to this video on the interpretation of the output for the Bayesian independent samples t-test. Building on the previous two videos, we should have an analysis that looks like this. The t-test box provides us only with the base factor and the error percent. Here, a base factor -0 quantifies evidence in favor of the one-sided alternative hypothesis that the mean of the control group is smaller than the mean of the treated group. A base factor +0 would have conveyed the opposite information that the mean of the treated group is lower than the mean of the control group. A base factor of -0 would have quantified evidence in favor of the alternative hypothesis, and similarly for BF 0 positive. A base factor of 10 between 1 to 3 is not worth more than a bare mention. Between 3 to 10, it gives substantial evidence for the alternative hypothesis, such as what we have got here. 10 to 30 gives strong evidence for the alternative hypothesis. 30 to 100 gives very strong evidence for the alternative hypothesis, and more than 100 gives decisive evidence in favor of the alternative hypothesis. Similarly, a BF 10 of 1/3 or 1/3 to 1 is not worth more than a bare mention. From 1/10 to 1/3 is substantial evidence for the null hypothesis. 1/30th to 1/10th is strong evidence for the null hypothesis, and 100th to 1/30th is very strong evidence for the null hypothesis, and less than 100th is decisive evidence in favor of the alternative hypothesis. The error percent is the error obtained during computation of the base factor. It shouldn't be more than 10% while using the JASP statistical software. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on plots and their interpretations.